Found an XBC file connected to your Xbox gaming setup? This is a container format used by Microsoft's gaming ecosystem for bundling game content. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these Xbox container files hold and how to work with them. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling XBC files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. XBC files are Xbox container files used by Microsoft's gaming platform to package game data, save files, downloadable content, and system resources. They contain structured game assets and metadata organized in Microsoft's proprietary container format for Xbox console systems. Xbox container files use a binary packaging structure with header blocks, content entries, and hash verification data. The format organizes GameSave's profile data, achievement records, and downloadable content packages with digital signature verification for console integrity. This proprietary format is best opened by Microsoft Xbox from Microsoft Corporation for the XBC type. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows may detect the file type, but game engines or modding tools are required to interpret it. We need to test for compatibility. Right-click your XBC file and choose Open With. If you have Microsoft Xbox, launch with that first. Otherwise, try a different program. Sometimes the best fit isn't obvious. If you still cannot open your XBC file, that is okay. A format as specific as XBC will always reject general methods. We must verify these key parameters on our checklist before attempting a guaranteed solution. First, viewing Xbox content. Use Horizon or Velocity Xbox modding tools to open and inspect XBC container files on a PC. These utilities display the container structure, including embedded files, metadata, and digital signatures, allowing you to browse the packaged content without an Xbox console. Next, extracting game data. Open the XBC file in Horizon and use the extract function to save individual files from the container to your PC. This allows access to save game data profile information and embedded assets for backup or analysis purposes outside the Xbox ecosystem. Finally, managing Xbox saves. Transfer XBC files between Xbox consoles and PC using a USB storage device formatted for Xbox. Use the Xbox Console File Management or Xbox Companion app to manage save data. For modding purposes, rehash and resign extracted containers before transferring back to console. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.